Welcome to Brain Vision.
Given the nurse has written down 200 on this sheet, we want to see which of the following quantities is a plausible unit for the number 200. Let's start with option A. We know that the person is an ordinary middle-aged man. Now, if the 200 was mass in kilograms, then the person's weight would be 200 kilograms, which would be 440 pounds, because 1 kilogram is about 2.2 pounds. By multiplying 2.2 by 200, we can see that 200 kilograms is 440 pounds. A 440 pound man or a 200 kilogram man is definitely not an ordinary person. A 200 kilogram man would not be ordinary. Going to option B, height in meters. If the person has a height of 200 meters, we know that a person who is of height about 6 feet has height of about 182 centimeters, which is almost 2 meters. 200 meters would be 100 6 feet men stacked upon each other, which would almost be the height of a skyscraper. Hence, it is impossible for a person to be of height 200 meters. We can rule this safely out. Option C is the person's height in centimeters, the person's height being 200 centimeters. By converting this into feet and inches, we can see that this is almost 6 feet and 7 inches. This, while the person would be very tall, this seems to be the most plausible until now. But let's go forward and exhaust other options before coming back to this. Option D would be the person's height in millimeters. 200 millimeters, as we know, would be 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters would be about half a feet, about 7 inches. A middle-aged man definitely cannot be 20 centimeters in a height. 20 centimeters is the height of a writing book, almost. Hence, we can safely rule this out. Now going to option E, it's the person's age in months. If a person has age of 200 months, then his age in years would be 200 by 12, which would be almost 16.7 years. This is definitely not a middle-aged man, hence we can rule this out. Of all these options, the most plausible one seems to be the person being 6 feet and 7 inches. But remember that even this is not an ordinary height.